Hello, everyone. Welcome to PCE Final Frontier podcast. I am Shivangi, your PCE guide at PCE Final Frontier, helping one student at a time. Visit our website www.pceff.com to enroll in our courses today. Hello, and welcome to the PCE Final Frontier Ethics podcast. Today, we are going to solve an ethical scenario. I will present the question to you, give you 4 options, give you 15 seconds to pick the correct answer, and then we discuss about it. So the question is, Dr. Harris is treating a patient with chronic pain who suggests using a controversial treatment method that Dr. Harris believes is not evidence-based. How should Dr. Harris handle the situation? A. Agree to the patient's request to avoid confrontation. Option B. Explain the lack of evidence for the treatment and discuss alternative evidence-based options. Option C. Dismiss the patient's suggestion without any explanation. Or option D. Report the patient to the medical board for suggesting non-evidence-based treatment. I'll give you 15 seconds. Let's take your time, pick the correct answer, we discuss about it. Time's up. The correct answer is option B. Explain the lack of evidence for the treatment that he is suggesting and discuss alternative evidence-based option. As a physical therapist, it is our job and responsibility to tell the patient, to explain the patient, and avoid using any treatment that is not evidence-based. We spend a lot of time doing our research, find the best treatment that is aligned with our evidence-based research to provide the best treatment for the patient. So sit down and explain to the patient that what he is suggesting is incorrect. It does not have enough evidence to support it, and so you will not be able to help or use that treatment technique. Rather, let's give him the option about some evidence-based techniques that have shown good results. And I am pretty sure the patient definitely wants to get better, and he does not want to use any other treatment that's not going to help him. So the correct answer here is option B. That's all I have for today. Now, today's topic of discussion was taken from the college website of Ontario and British Columbia. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more ethical scenarios being posted next time. Thank you for joining today. Reach out to us at support@pceff.com for any questions. Follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more content. Have a wonderful week and keep learning.